श्री बोधेन्द्र सद्गुरु महाराज की जय। श्री गंडमिव श्रेयसे गुरुमाश्रये श्रीधर वेंकटेशय्या स्वामी की जय। ज्ञानानंद मूर्ति की जय। दक्षिणामूर्ति की जय। So basically, as we don't have time, we'll just go with the continuation of the Govinda Nama Sankirtan. So today is the 26th day of Margazhi. So every day of Margazhi, Sri Andal has given us this beautiful Tirupavai, isn't it? So today, for the 26th day, it's Malai Manivanna. But before that, I would like to start with the day one Tirupavai as well, the Margazhi Thingal. Because that is the only song which Andal has, sung for Sri Vaikuntham, and today is Vaikunta Ekadashi. There are 106 Divya Stalangal which you can, go around on earth. But the one which is not on earth is the Sri Vaikuntham, and this is the song. மார்கழி திங்கள் மதி நிறைந்த நன்னாடா. You know you can repeat. மதி நிறைந்த நன்னாடா நீராட போதுவினோ வேறிலகி நீராட போதுவினோ வேறிலகி சீமகுமாய் பாடி Kumai padi servati dumidar Simar kumai padi servati dumidar Purve kodu todilu nanda gopal kumaran kodu todilu nanda gopal kumaran Rangati yashoda gindal because she talks about Sri Vaikuntham, she mentions this line, Sri Andal. Now let's do the Malai Manivanna. So in Malai Manivanna, the speciality of this song is she talks about the Panchachanyam, the Shangu, what you see in Thirumal's hands, isn't it? So I don't know how many of you know about the story of Panchachanyam. When Thirumal was going to help Shantipani Munivar to, kill an Asuran. So that was the time the Panchachanyam was first used. So, Mani
Boy,